All right, we have number 11, page 310. Top of window is parabolic arch. The dimensions are shown. So it says it's 3 meters wide, which means this is the origin. This is going to be 3 and 0. Right in the middle, where the vertex is, the highest point, it says is 2. So that's going to be right in between 0 and 3 is 1.5 and 2. Now it wants to know, it's asking us what the length is of this support beam and this support beam. We know that right in the middle, that's 1.5. So just x values down here. If this is 1.5, this has to be 0.75. And this over here has to be 1.5 plus is 2.25 because that's right in between 1.5 and 3. These are all x values. We need to figure out the y values. So that'll give us the length. So we can do this, I guess if we're doing general form, I should do general form. So y equals a times, and then the zeros are x minus 0, x minus 3. Because x value here is 0, x value here is 3. So this is general form. We need to solve for a. So we pick a point. We pick a point along the parabola. I'm going to take the vertex here because if I have zeros, it's going to be 0 minus 0, which is going to be 0, and the whole thing's going to collapse on us. We can't use the zeros for it, so I'll use the vertex so that we can solve for a. So y value is 2. A value is, or sorry, a value we don't know. X value here is 1.5, which is 3 over 2 minus 0 times 3 over 2 minus 3. All right. All right. So that's going to be 2 equals a times 3 over 2. 3 over 2 minus 3 is 3 over 2 minus 6 over 2. So that's going to be equals negative 3 over 2. So times negative 3 over 2. 2 equals negative 9 over 4a. If we multiply both sides by 4, multiply both sides by 4 and divide both sides by 9, that's going to be negative 8 over 9 equals a. So that is our a value. So we can rewrite this. Y equals negative 8 over 9. X times x minus 3. It's x minus 0, so I didn't write that in. Now we can simplify this so that we have the kind of full-on equation. I'm going to pause this for that phone call. All right, sorry about that. So I'm going to simplify this a little bit. Y equals negative 8 over 9 times x squared minus 3x. Keep going. Y equals negative 8 over 9 x squared plus, because negative and negative, 27 over 9 is 3, so plus, that doesn't make sense. 3 times 8, oh, it's 24 over 9. Silly. 24 over 9, or 24 over 9, come on brain, or 8 over 3. Plus 8 over 3x. So this is our general form for this parabola. Now we know that these x values, 0.75 and 2.25, we just got to plug those in here to get the measurements of y. So when x equals 0.75, looks like I'm about to lose my fractions, which is too bad. Y equals negative 8 times 0.75 squared over 9 plus 8 times 0.75 over 3. So 0.75 squared times 8 equals this, divided by 9 equals 0.5. Well, worked out nice. Negative 0.5, and then 8 times 0.75, 8 times 0.75 equals this, divided by 3 is 2. So that equals 1.5. Well, guess what, my friends? If that's 1.5, let me just check and make sure I haven't made a mistake. Oh, no answer in the back. 1.5. So if this is 1.5 high, this one has to be as well, because remember, this is the line of symmetry, so it's symmetrical about that line. So this height is 1.5 centimeters. This height also has to be 1.5 centimeters. Now you can check that by substituting x equals 2.25 and going through the rigmarole, and it should all equal the same. Hopefully that makes sense.